Welcome to Couch Girls. Today we are doing Siri versus Google
versus Mom.
Woohoo! This is gonna be like technology versus someone who barely knows stuff about technology. By the way, it is a slime challenge. We kind of forgot to say that. If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Julia.
They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CD family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started! So for Christmas, our big sister got our mom a Google Home. And we're not talking about this sister. She don't have the money. She's broke. She's not broke. Maybe.
We'll see who's broke in the
Bloopers.
next 20 minutes.
I'm talking about our older sister, Stephanie.
So Stephanie got us this Google Home, and we decided it would be super fun to do this challenge.
Our mom has kindly agreed to help, so they're all gonna battle each other.
Yeah, Mom, that's great how you keep going in front of the camera.
Okay. We have 24 ingredients on the table.
All of them have numbers on the backside.
My mom cannot see them. Some are good, and then
Some not so much. My mom has no idea what the numbers are because I numbered everything myself.
oh, and I actually hate you. I'm sorry. So she's gonna be playing blind, just like Siri and Google. So she's gonna have no clue, and we're gonna pull from this little box, and they have Google, Siri, and Mom in it. And if I get Mom, then Mom's gonna be my partner, and she's gonna say a number between 1 and 24. And whatever she says, I'm gonna get it. So don't open. Hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Is there 2? I'm hoping there's not 2. Did I get 2?
Did you take?
I did. I'm sorry. Here. Here we go. Google!
Mom!
Siri! I had a feeling I was giving you Mom. Dang it.
I got the
I don't remember who's that.
the least complicated of the 3.
Siri and Mom! So Rachel, if you get all the bad colors,
She has
just
no-
know you
she
picked
has-
the wrong person.
I might be the most complicated. If you really think about it.
She has the least.
I know what I can
works
do. I know what I can do.
What do you call them? She has the least fancy add-ons of the 3.
I'm fancy.
With your mom bun.
What'd you just say?
With your mom bun.
With your my mom what?
With your mom.
Your mom bun.
My mom bun. I thought you said butt.
I don't have that. Hey. So today in this video, we will be finding out which of these 3, Mom, Google, or Siri, loves us the most.
Or is smarter.
Wow.
Both.
Okay.
Wait, alright, so
Mom feels loved.
wait, I want to sing Musically that
Merry
I already
Christmas.
did. If you, I'm on Musically, so if you don't know that, if you want to follow me on Musically, I'm at Crafty Girls TV. All one word.
What?
Google! Wait,
Okay.
wait, no, wait. Siri, I'm counting on you.
I don't understand. Siri, I'm counting on you. But I can search the web for it.
Just say it. Google!
Okay.
Hey, Google!
Maybe I'm starting to
I am
think.
so counting on you.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, I just totally
I don't see
responded.
brain.
Mom, I'm counting on you.
I got you, Rachel.
Hey, Google. Pick a number between 1 and 24.
Sure. 5.
Oh! What's your 5? Where the heck is 5?
It's okay, it's not that one. Okay, it's not that one. Thank you. 5 is not this one. Is it this one? No, this one.
Blue pigment! I got blue pigment.
Okay.
And in the bit, wait, how about we all wait till we can add it in?
Yeah, let's add it.
I know, I'm just getting all the air out of it.
Just leave it.
You're gonna
Just
get
leave
it.
it.
Really?
Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24. 3.
9.
1 and
Doesn't
23.
matter.
Alright, I got the. Now ask Mom to pick a number between 1 and 22.
24. We're not going to increase our numbers.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Pick a number between 1 and 24.
12.
I think that one might have been cursed. I don't know what I was thinking when I numbered it. I put my favorite numbers on my favorite items. It was a double with me. Alright, which one's 12? That one's 15. Alright, there we go.
Pigment.
Actually-
I'm the other one that got glue in the first round.
So I got like a purple pink colored pigment.
So I did good.
You did good.
And I got a pretty blue. So good job, Google. I know you can't hear me, but if you could, good job.
By the way, these are Stardust Mica's pigments, and you all know that we love them.
Alright, and then I'm gonna use half of 9 just in case someone else gets 9. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm the only one that got blue, so that's good. Right? Okay, guys, it is round 2. And I'm gonna
Google,
go first.
do not fail me.
Right. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24.
The answer is 10.
It's over here. Congrats, you got kitty litter.
I got kitty litter in the last video too. Mom,
this
this
doesn't
better not be
stink, though.
used.
It is not used.
Wink, wink.
Alright.
Wink, wink.
Yes.
No!
My robotic mother is following my commands.
It is not used.
Hey, Mom. Pick a number between. You're supposed to say yes.
Yes, Rachel.
Pick a number between 1 and 24.
8.
8.
Okay, so she got purple glitter, so she's still good. Okay. Hey Google! Pick a number between 1 and 24.
Coming right up. 17.
17. I'm the only one that got red though. I don't have a lot of glue in right now.
This
so.
is gonna be great. Glitter slime.
Glitter slime. If you guys, whoever watched our slime scammer video, that you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. Just gonna add a nice amount. There we go. I'm not a fan of them. Alrighty, Rachel, now you get to go first, little girl.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, Rachel.
Pick a number between 1 and 24.
I choose 2, Rachel.
Purple glitter glue.
She's only gotten purple so far. So.
I'm doing good.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
All right. 13.
Unlucky number 13.
I mislabeled it. That's
I got pretty pearly white pigment. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24.
It's 14.
14. I think somebody just picked up 14.
Rice. I really want to go again.
So far.
Oh my gosh, poor Annalise.
Okay, I'm glad I did not get Siri. I really don't want to add a lot, but then I don't want it so. Oops, I'm sorry. I just poured it in, but look at how pearly. Although I have seen videos on YouTube where people put rice in slime. So like,
You can do more.
yeah, Rachel, you can do a lot more, like 2 more squares. We are on round 4, and Mom clearly is winning so far for Who Loves Us Best, whatever challenge. All right, Julia,
Yeah,
go.
clearly Who Loves Me Best challenge.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
All right.
What did
Stop picking her up.
pick a number between 1 and 24? Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
Sure.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
Okay. 23.
Dang it.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24, and it better be good.
The answer is 7.
Look what I do. I got silver glitter glue.
Hey, Mom. Pick a number between 1 and 24.
Rachel, I choose number 1.
Glitter.
Jeez, Mom, could you stop? Because I really don't want the pinks and the purples anymore. I want to get a green.
I know Rachel
Mom?
likes the girly colors.
I like greens and blues and silvers and blacks, whites.
Not today.
I got silver. Ready? Ready? Ooh.
Wow, Annalise. What a natural color you've got there.
I know. Ah!
Julia's is pretty.
I know, right?
Maybe Google is better than Mom.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on it.
Hey Google, Mom needs a vacation.
Hey Google, my mom needs a vacation. Will you please raise me for 3 years?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet. My teacher is helping me learn.
20?
But her team is helping her learn.
Oh, good. Okay.
Alrighty, guys, it is round 5. It's my Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24 and make it good.
It's 20.
20. We're all complete silence. As in not number 20 blue, yay!
Hey, Mom. Pick a number between 1 and 24.
I honestly cannot remember like the numbers that have been chosen.
Okay, so numbers
I'm gonna say 22 because I don't think 22 has been chosen.
Dang it, why can't you just give me what I want?
Oh, you got blue glue. Be happy.
I want green.
You have officially got unicorn poop colors. God. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, because I totally love my color set.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24 and make it good.
Sure. 15.
That's good to hear. I didn't want her to get 15. Why is it good? No, it was because it was a color I really wanted. She's got both the colors I really wanted. She's not gonna have the whole thing.
Why does Julia keep getting everything I really want?
Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I feel bad for you because the rice and the cap. And I actually because it's got glitter slime. Nah, it still looks like glitter rice slime. Glider slime.
When you win this challenge, Rachel, you can thank me.
Glice slime. It's lice slime, Mom. It's lice slime. Annalise lice slime. Rice and glitter.
Julia, nobody
and
cares.
litter. Lice.
What? It is round 6 and I get to go first. Hey, Mom. Pick a number between 1 and 24.
I choose number 11. I don't think anyone's chosen 11 yet.
She got yellow. Woo! Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24 and make it good.
All right. 16. That's good to hear.
Thank you. Yep, that was 16. She got yellow. So far all I have is blue, purple, green, and white. And I love
But
that.
both choices this time have been yellow.
Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24 and please make it good.
That would be 16.
Isn't that what Julia just got?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, now we have to share this. Yes. Yes. She's not thrilled because of the yellow.
Every single choice this round was yellow. You see that?
Okay. Yeah.
That's a really cool thing.
Pouring the pee into our bowl. It's yellow. Could you stop? You're just a pain today.
Okay, that's good.
Pouring pea snow into my bowl.
Okay.
Pouring Pikachu dust. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, guys, it's round 7. Hey, Google, pick a number between 1 and 24. Make it good.
Okay. 7. That's good to hear.
All right, she got silver, the one that I got before. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24.
The answer is 16.
Oh, you got yellow again. Again?
Hey, Mom.
Yes, Rachel.
Pick a
Darling
number
precious.
between 1 and 24.
I choose number 4.
Okay.
17. 6. Oh, we haven't chosen 6 yet. That's 15. Ah, God. Here it is.
Purple.
It's like a pale silvery color.
I picked purple again?
Yes.
Oh, this is crazy.
it's round 8. We're almost done, and I get to go first. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24. 3 because this is.
The answer is 12.
Where's 12?
I got a pinky purple, basically purple pigment.
Hey Mom, pick a number between 1 and 24.
I choose 17.
This is number 17. Here you go, Rachel.
Keeping with the purple theme, apparently.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
All right. 18.
Oh, she's got strawberries. Let's put it in.
Okay.
And now,
It is our last round, and I get to go first. Hey Mom, pick a number between 1 and 24.
24.
Seriously?
I mean, Rachel, it was green.
This is green dragon sauce.
I'm sorry.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 24.
Okay. 15.
15 is a green pigment. Really? Yeah.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 24 and make it good.
6.
6 is the blue one? Again! Almost. No, wait. Okay, hang on. There was one form that was 6. No, that was 6. Anyways. That's 6.
Rainbow Dippin' I'm joking. It's flown, but like, now I really want to be
I'm so sorry.
There we go.
I can't add a lot of this because it's got salt in it.
Let's stir them up. Purple, what a surprise. I did not see that coming. I really have no clue what it's gonna turn out to be. It turned rose gold. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this slime. Whoa! Isn't it pretty? Mine should have turned green because there was like so much green pigment. And the pigment is so bright, it's like so metallic. All right, let's activate.
You will not let me go. Hey, Google! You did such a good job. You were so great. I love how good of a job you did. Just doing my job. Feel free to keep the compliments coming. Google! Hey, Google! Hey, Google! You are the best. You are the greatest. I love you. And you're the happiest. You know who I think is doing a great job? You. I'm a natural optimist, I guess. Siri, you know what? I'm proud of you, but I'm even more proud of me. Okay, I found this on the web for what I'm proud of, but I need more. Hey Google, what does an armadillo say? I don't have a sound for that yet. Hey Google, what does the fox say? Ring ding 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 a ding and wop pop 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 a pow. Or so I've heard. Hey Google, beatbox, beatbox. Sure, I know a guy. Hold on, I'll get him. Beatbox. Here's what I've been practicing. Beatbox. Here's what I've been practicing. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. Do this all day. Cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. Hey Google, sing. Yes, I can sing. I like to help you, even if it's strange. So I sing. Hey Google, you're a great singer. Thanks, I'm glad you like it. Hey Google, sing again. Finally it's here, I've been waiting for this chance. I could be on Broadway if only I could dance. Hey Google, sing again. Hey Google, sing again. La 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 la. Hey Google, sing again. I'm singing you a song because songs are great and songs make you happy. This is a song for you. Hey Siri, sing. Okay, if you insist. I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers. Wait, and my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts are busy hatching. If I only had a... Hey, wait a second. Hey Google, rap. Okay, for that, you might like Rap Challenge. Want to give it a try? Yes. Alright, getting rap challenge. This is rap challenge. I'll start a popular rap and you fill in the lyrics.
gosh, you sound
Whoever wins gets the glory. Start by asking for an easy, medium, or hard rap. You can also ask for new songs.
Easy.
Okay, let's get started. What'll it be, Eminem, Biggie, or Missy Elliott?
I know Eminem.
My Name Is by Eminem. Good choice, let's begin. Hi, my name is... My Name Is by Eminem. Good choice, let's begin. Hi, my name is... My Name Is by Eminem. Good choice, let's begin. Hi, my name is... Incorrect, what happened? I was expecting the lyric, what? Would you like to try again?
Yeah, no. Hey Google. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, fans? What up, my fans? What up, my fans? Remember that?
Just searching for answers to life's big and small questions. What can I help you with?
Why do you exist?
To make it easier for you to get answers and have fun.
Okay, guys, I put so much borax in this, and so I did my hair. It's a real challenge now, huh? I always, every time I make a bubble. Anyways, it's like the universe is against me. I have put so much borax in this, and so it's finally coming together, but it's so sticky I can't even pick it up. I love how mine turned rose gold. I can't believe it did that. I guess the yellow kind of darkened, and the yellow, and then when I put in like the purple, she kind of darkened it. Borax, please. Well, I'm gonna start swirling. Okay, guys, so it's gorgeous, but it's super drippy, as you can see. I'm sure it was the strawberry syrup because nobody else got it, and well,
Nobody ever blames the beautiful ingredients.
Well, because sugar ruins slime.
it does. All right, it's my slime. It's just a poppy slime in general.
And my slime.
Why couldn't you so? Okay.
It's actually really pretty.
Mine is very sticky, but it's mine turned out so pretty. I love it. How is mine not pretty?
It's like a reddish brown color.
It's rose gold. No, it isn't. That's mine is beautiful. Nothing can bring my slime down. It's too happy.
I think I just won.
Wait, we're doing bubble challenges? Girl, you're on. Let's go. Although this has foam, which means it's not going to make good bubbles. It does that thing where it gets all... Ray just has foam and she makes good bubbles. Hey, it works. Let's go. Whoever makes the bigger wins. 3.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but now it is
Nope, no. First, let's do the biggest bubble challenge, Rachel.
time for shout out.
Taylor Osborne, Claire Johnson,
Fun with Racino's Kids,
Lucky B. Gum, Michelle Alvarado,
Daya Karthikayan,
Paige Creek, Sky Pink, KJS 564.
and Password.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you so much.